My name is Dominic Scarpelli. My wife and I worked with Remodel Republic to redo our kitchen. Before we had a very large top here, and we wanted to make it nice and smooth and really open to the rest of the home. We redid our cabinets and all the cooktop and all the cabinets over here as well. Working with Marjorie to design the entire plan has been a wonderful experience. She was really easy to work with, really kind. You can see my little dog walking around. Lupo's getting in the shot. And Wade has been an amazing project manager. Has been extremely responsible. He comes here late at night and has helped us out quite a bit, answering every one of my wife's questions. And Alex and his crew doing the entire construction. Fantastic guys. They really worked their butts off on making this really a wonderful experience for us. So my wife and I really appreciate it, and it's been great. I would actually absolutely recommend Remodel Republic and the entire team to anyone out there who's looking to do any kind of type of construction in their house. It's been a wonderful experience.